Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So guys, today I have a one personality, not a one, I have two great personality. So this is Ramakant Tandi from Odisha.
Odisha. Hello,
He is
friend. I hope you are doing excellent. And as you can see that me and my friend is Kuldeep were just making this vlog in the park named, I don't know which park is this, but it's really looking nice. Most of the time we come here whenever we have time. And I would suggest each and everyone to please you do come and spend some time. It's really looking nice. As you can see that it is filled with greenery. It is filled with greenery. So many people are enjoying the gala time with their dear ones, with their family members. It's really looking nice as well. I mean, yeah. Okay, guys. So as you know that I'm my friend Saddam watched that, so I'm going to introduce him. Okay. Because at the time he was just talking to his friend. I don't know who he was, but there was kind of thing with on which they were both discussing. So right now he's done
This is
with
the
his
handsome way
phone
to
call,
show that to
and
make
now
a
I'm going to
video, to
introduce
make a
him.
video.
Okay. And yeah,
It's running. It's working.
it's really working.
Oh
And
my
please
God!
introduce
This is
yourself,
good.
my friend Saddam Hussein. Yeah.
Hello, hi. I hope you all will be doing well, guys. Actually, you know that we all are coming here because to know about this environment, to know about the experience of the people. You know that we are very curious person to explore our knowledge. Of course, I will also tell you, please, if you want to learn this language, and you should learn this language because we are here, and we are here because of you. And whatever you have a question, and just you can comment me. Of course, I will reply you because this language is not nothing. It means we can say that this language is not a rocket science. We can understand whatever you want. Actually, you know that these people also came here, and he said me, please Saddam, you have to go there, and just so we came here to know about this environment, to explore our knowledge. Of course, if you want to go outside, just it will be better for you, but your maksad, it means your purpose should be different. Your purpose should not be like this. I will go outside because of girls, excuse me, this time maksad, this type of purpose should not be your right.
Okay,
So
guys. So I was just joking, my friend. And really, I mean, he has a YouTube channel, so please do subscribe his YouTube channel. He every day, upload new vocabs. He always talk about the strategy, the tips, so that people can learn the English. He's really working harder and harder. And it's been around 6 to 7 months since he's been working on the English speaking skill, and he has
of
really improved
course.
a lot. And in the initial page, in the initial time when you watch a beginner, at the time, he was mumbling, he was stammering, he was not able to convey a message in front of the public, in front of the crowd. He was not able to debate with his opponents. But and after working, having what words and what he has really improved a lot. I have seen his improvement. So I would definitely recommend or advocate you each and
But
every
I want to say
do
one thing.
subscribe each channel. Yeah, definitely go ahead.
I want to say one thing
Yeah.
for these people.
Hmm.
If you are very curious to learn this language,
Hmm.
in the initial time you will be taking, it means you will be taking during the learning this language. So you should not afraid of this language. If I make a mistake, and just you will think I cannot learn this language, so don't think like this. If you think like this, it means you cannot grow this language, you cannot learn this language. Whatever the situation will come, whatever the obstacles will come, we have to face each and every situation during this language, because this is the right time to develop our communication skill. This is the right time to improve our communication skill. So you should focus on your communication skill. These people, you know that every people are well together, you know that we
Yeah.
are very
Yeah,
talkative
yeah.
person.
Yeah, obviously, guys, they are all YouTubers, and mostly. And my friend Kuldeep, he's a YouTuber. He has a
Are
YouTube channel, as I have already mentioned you about him. He's also a very good guy. Okay, he always help
Okay,
people to see
thank you.
how can they speak English. So he upload the strategy tips so that
Yes,
people
yes.
can understand each and everything. So please do subscribe his channels. Okay, and now I'm going to give the mic so that he can convey you something. Please say something.
I would say I every day make a blog video with AB Prasad. So it is a video only for practice. I want to improve my English, and who want to improve those people who want to improve, that can watch my videos and can see my video, because it is very helpful for everyone who want to improve English, who want to learn how to improve English, who want to improve communication. So it's a really guys helpful for you. So I would say, please, who are the big, those people who are the beginner, they can watch my video and take benefits. So thank you guys
Thank you so
for
much, everyone.
watching
Bye
my
bye. Take care,
video. Bye
friends. Take care.
bye.
Stay tuned. Bye.